Okay, it is Monday morning. I am starting this week's vlog. You guys have been asking for more vlog footage. Literally just got out of the shower. Just about to do my little morning routine stuff. It is pouring outside. The whole city of LA does not know what to do when it rains. You know what? I'm gonna walk you guys over and show you. It's really coming down. It's not even just like sprinkling. You can see the water pouring into here. But you know what? It's okay. We are just gonna have a good, productive, indoor, cozy day. These are the dishes I did last night that I let dry. I'm gonna walk over and heat up the infamous kettle. A lot of you guys comment my videos that you can't believe I didn't know what a kettle was, but here it is. Love this kettle. I like to make some warm water. You know, I don't always every morning necessarily have it with apple cider vinegar. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I always do with lemon if I have some. Either way, I like to get like warm water in my system in the morning. You guys, some of you have asked why warm versus cold. Warm is less shocking on your body, especially in the morning. So it's just kind of soothing to wake up and hydrate yourself before you have any coffee. Just ran downstairs to grab some packages. I don't know if you saw in my last vlog that I pretty much get the most packages of anyone in this building because I just like getting everything delivered. I'm a huge Amazon Prime fan, so this is not anything too fun. It's just cleaning supplies. I got a million of these sponges because it didn't come in a smaller size. They're actually really ugly, but I like that they're green. I'm trying to go green with all my products, so I'm gonna try these out, but maybe work on the color because they're kind of ugly. My housekeeper asked me to get a duster, so I have a duster. My prescription got delivered, and that's about it. Just some of the normal stuff. Okay, we are at the Things We Do in downtown LA. I'm trying out this new spot. Are you guys pretty new?
Yeah, we're like maybe not even a month.
Not even a month, so I get to check it out.
Hi.
You can introduce yourself.
Hi guys. My name is Aziel and I'm an esthetician here at the Things We Do, working with Vanessa.
And we're gonna do a little facial and then a little acupuncture facial, which I've never done. Maybe we'll try to film some of that, but it might be gross. I'll let you know how it goes.
So this, we are infusing an antioxidant serum into the skin. We want her skin to be hydrated and very plump and glowy, and this is going to help do that. And with the suction, it's also helping to loosen up any dead skin, any debris in the pores, and then that way the serum just penetrates even deeper.
So I'm at the Things We Do mid-facial. I stopped this because I have to share what was going on back here. So we are making literally a custom mask for me. They've got everything back there like that you compound. So there's like a greens compound, a kale compound, oatmeal. What's in mine again? Oatmeal?
Yours has oatmeal, rosehip, greens. I also added something called golden seal, which is a cousin of turmeric. So it's antiseptic, has a lot of antioxidants in it too.
Golden seal is great when you have a cold.
So right now I'm just mixing up your mask, and we work with a line called Botania. They are botanical. They come in a lot of powdered compounds, so we have to mix everything up. We really try to maintain the health of your skin, and in mixing up the compounds, it just stays as fresh as possible. The greens actually helps with brightening up the skin.
Oh, so we're not just drinking the greens, they're going on my skin?
Yes, yes.
It's like I'm putting a green juice with some mud on my skin.
So the needles, they cause little micro traumas that would call up all the collagen and elastin and blood flow to all the areas that we put the points in. So in that way, it causes, I mean, it's like a preventative thing as well.
Okay, I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
It's great.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Can you just talk about how Julia's sitting in
working over there while I get this picture.
Like,
You're so cute. Best sister. You're tired?
I'm like gonna fall asleep.
Is it soothing?
Yeah, I'm like dying over here.
Oh my god, do you want to go outside and get
No.
So I failed at acupuncture. It hurt my face too much. I'm a little you can't see the redness. So I'm gonna go back. now with Sarah and Julia, we're at the lovely Cafe Gratitude. Sarah is teaching us some amazing photo editing skills in Lightroom because I want to be self-sufficient at blogging. Woo! Tuesday morning, so we are going to Whole Foods to get some Keurig K-Cups to do a coffee experiment for Julia. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw me post this in stories, but she's been having a lot of anxiety and we're trying to figure out I think caffeine's a huge culprit. So she thinks she needs caffeine. I think caffeine is a lot of a placebo effect, which basically means it's your mind telling you think you need the caffeine. So now we're gonna do an experiment. For anyone who doesn't know what the placebo effect is, placebo drugs are basically what are used in studies where they're like nothing, they're fake. But sometimes the fact that you just think you're taking a pill can make you feel better, literally. Your brain is that powerful. So I think a lot of coffee is just the aroma and the smell and like maybe it wakes you up. For me, the actual caffeine doesn't do anything, which is why most of the time I drink decaf. We're gonna do our own little clinical trial on Julia and we're gonna see, although I don't think they're gonna see the results in this vlog because this is a weekly vlog and we're not starting the test till next week.
That's true.
So you guys should go to my Instagram to see. I'm gonna post it as coffee test or coffee study or something. You can see the results. We just came down to the lounge. I'm sitting here with Sif from the Dream Bigger podcast. She came all the way from Toronto, so we're gonna do a little What are we talking about today in the podcast?
All things wellness and skincare.
Everything
that's your forte, basically.
I don't know anything about wellness and skincare.
Nothing at all.
Nothing. Perfect. It is Wednesday morning. Hey, Jules.
Hi.
We're getting ready for a busy but fun day. So what have we got going on today? We're going
monikablunder first.
Monikablunder. So Monikablunder reached out to me on Instagram. She's like this beautiful celebrity makeup artist and she wants to do like a little makeup tutorial with me. So I was like, yes, I would love to do that. Absolutely. So Paul's coming over to fix my hair a little bit. Then we're gonna go over to her. She's in the Valley. Then we're gonna go to a bareminerals event. It's their new foundation stick, right? We're learning about?
Yeah, new foundation stick with Hailey Bieber.
Yeah, Hailey Bieber's hosting it, not Hailey Baldwin, Hailey Bieber. She's hosting it, which will be pretty cool. We're gonna learn about their new foundation stick, and just, I like when they have one of their makeup artists there, we can kind of learn how to use all their makeup, how you're really supposed to use it, all the ins and outs, then we can share it with everyone else. And then
meetings and work.
Meetings and work. Then we gotta come back here and do the boring stuff.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I have the gorgeous Mona with me today. Thank you. Hi Mona.
Taking marijuana to blow your mind is like throwing sand in a delicate machine.
We're on our way back from filming a makeup tutorial with Monikablunder, which is why I'm a little bit extra glam right now. She's so cute, isn't she the cutest?
She's cute, you guys.
You're
gonna love her.
Oh, we went crazy light. But she's so like elegant and she's just classy and
graceful.
So graceful. She found me on Instagram and really liked my content and asked me to do makeup tutorial with her, and I was so excited. So we'll be sharing that soon when that gets all like edited and done. And we're actually gonna have her on my channel too, because she's like, I actually asked her to do makeup and she's like, no, I want to do food. Like, I love making my own almond milk, and like also we're gonna have her on for like some good healthy food tutorials. Now we are heading to a Bareminerals event hosted by Hailey Bieber, not Hailey Baldwin, Hailey Bieber. We're learning all about their new like foundation stick. I'm not sure what the right name is, but I like Bareminerals because the more clean we can go, the better. Oh, okay, just hold it. I'm just following you. You're making sure you put that rower in the shade. He knows that I won't be in the sun, so let's see where he puts it. Find a good shady spot. Nice and shady. So one thing that Vic has really taught me is I'd always want to focus on core. Like let's do planks. That's like my weak section, my trouble area genetically. But he taught me that if you're doing every other workout the right way and like actually engaging your core, you work out your core in every single workout.
Using your core.
And arms especially, I notice it. And then this is the most developed I've ever seen my core because I learned to breathe. Thanks, Vic.
Get it. Okay, look at this efficient technique, right? Overhand grip, wrist aligned with the forearms, right? The bar is resting on this shelf right across the shoulders. Let's get it.
Yeah, foreign. Yeah, you see my whip, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You been wearing Tommy, got that foreign. You so boring. I've been up and working, that is foreign. I'm so foreign. Yeah, you know my whip, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You been wearing Tommy, got that foreign. You so boring. I've been up and working, that is foreign. I've been up and working to the morning, yeah. They been sleeping now, I swear they snoring, yeah. And I swear I'm cooking like a foreman. And my foreman jumping like it's Jordan out my way. Vroom, tell him out my lane. I've been praying, yeah. Gotta say this thing, I'm the same. I don't need another person telling me I can't. Lately I've been moving right past all these lanes.
How's that?
You look great.
Good. My core hurts. I'm back from the gym. I am just getting dressed, putting on a little bit of makeup, and then heading to meet Julia. We're gonna go to Soho House and finish up some last minute stuff before the weekend. We're also gonna prep her coffees for Monday morning since she obviously has coffee before we see each other in the morning. I'm gonna prep and like find a way to conceal which ones are caffeine, which ones are decaf, and that way we're gonna do our own little clinical trial there. So I'm really excited to see the results. But I wanted to share with you a little bit of the makeup I'm using today because I got a lot of goodies at the Bareminerals event, so I wanted to try some of their products. Okay, I just applied the bronzer. You can see I went super light. I definitely use this little handy dandy toilet paper. It comes in handy here. I was actually using this brush, which is angled, but I felt like it made it way too harsh and I wasn't really going for like a full contour look today. So then I took this like bigger brush and just kind of, this is my left hand, like circular went around and just blended it in a little bit. So just a little bit of bronzer and concealer can really make a difference if you just need to go run some errands. Julia, what day is it?
It is Friday.
Friday afternoon. Friday. This is the last day of this weekly vlog and we are not going to forget the most important thing.
No, we are on this.
We are on this coffee. Everyone on Instagram is dying for these results. Everyone's obsessed with this.
We will get it to you.
Yeah, right? You guys will be seeing this vlog a day after this, so the results will be the week after on Instagram, so definitely go check that out. We have to find a creative way to hide these and not let Julia know what it is, so let's get to it. All right, here's how I'm doing it. Julia's over there. I've got her blocked off. She can't see what I'm doing. So you can see the difference in the regular one and the decaf one. But what I'm doing is coloring the tops so you really can't tell. All three of these are different. They're mixed in. But on the bottom, I'm numbering them. Like here's Monday, that's number 1. Tuesday, that's number 2. Wednesday, that's number 3. Got Thursday and Friday. I haven't colored these yet. Julia, don't watch this vlog until the end of next week. You're not allowed. That's it. Well, that concludes this weekly vlog. This is kind of the launch of weekly vlogs since you guys really liked the other 2 that I put up. Please give me your feedback on this. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, and if you want me to continue these, I'm thinking of doing it every Saturday and kind of theming the Saturday videos as the weekly vlog, starting on Sunday, ending it on Friday. So let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.